but his went viral recently. He got, like I said, he got over 1 million views, and now other people are seeing that. These trolls, they're seeing that, and not all of them are trolls. Not all of them are trolls, but some of them just want the views and want the subscriptions because they just want another source of income, guys. That's all it is. Like, they could care less about retail arbitrage. Like, there's some guys that are making tons of money with private label, but they want more money, and they know that, oh man, I'm not getting as many views as with private label as I want, but this retail arbitrage thing is really popping, so let me hop on this and just get people to come subscribe to me and watch my videos because I'm going to talk about retail arbitrage. Yo, they're trolling. They're trolling. They don't even really care for your best. They don't really care for your best interest. If you don't believe me, y'all know I tell the truth. If you don't believe me, just YouTube retail arbitrage. You're gonna see retail arbitrage Walmart, retail arbitrage sourcing Walmart, retail arbitrage Walmart sourcing, retail arbitrage what I found in Walmart, retail arbitrage made this much in Walmart, retail arbitrage Walmart this. Now the reason why they're doing it, the motive is not what you think it is. And that's just, I'm being transparent with my fam. A lot of the YouTubers are gonna hate me for this, but listen, I don't care.
I like my money crazy, man, out of control. Only real thing I count on, count my dough. No breaks, no stopping, no talking, nobody knows. East side we ride, we fly way up, no breaks. No breaks. No breaks.
Oh man, what do we have today? Oh man, what do we have today? It's raining, icky. I'm outside trying to get sick right now, right? But no, guys, I got to talk to my family, but I wanted to come to the car real quick because I was looking for something. Oh man, woo, it's cold out here. Woo, it's cold. Yeah, fam, look, check this out. Just another day in the life. This is the vlog. I'm probably gonna go do some retail arbitrage a little bit later. Me and my wife gotta go to Walmart and get some stuff, some food. I may hit some retail arbitrage. But the reason why I haven't been super proactive with retail arbitrage, guys, is because I've been doing online arbitrage. I've been finding a lot of things online. My light, why is it still on? I've been finding a lot of things online, guys, and I just been repetitively buying those items over and over again and sending them in. They're making me some decent profits. So I want to touch up on a few things, family. I want to touch up on a few things really quick. The first thing being, let's talk online arbitrage. So I gave a site away, I gave some products away to certain people just as a test run, and listen, they already dropped the price. Whoever it was dropped the price, and I said I wasn't going to share this information no more if family started dropping the price because it's cutting my profits and it will cut everybody else's profits. But you know what, I'm still going to share some stuff with you guys. I'm still going to share some online arbitrage secret items and secret things I'm finding and ways that I'm finding them. Not right now, but I will still. But guys, I'm telling you, like, I mean, I'm like this. That's a fair warning. Like, I know it was somebody from my fam that's dropping the price. You know how I know? Because I'm the only one that had that website at the beginning. I promise you, this was that website. It was only like 1 or 2 sellers on an item. I know I was one of the only ones that had that website. When I first found it, there was practically no sellers, like 1 or 2 sellers on the listing. After I talked about it and gave it away to a couple people, a lot of people actually, not a couple, a lot, all of a sudden there's multiple sellers on these items and the price got dropped from somebody. Look, you are messing it up for everybody else. Like, I mean, but that's okay. It is what it is. There's sometimes there's trolls on no matter where you go, there's gonna be some trolls. I'm not talking to all you guys. You guys are my fam. I know a lot of you guys are not gonna do that. I know a lot of you guys want to make the most money like I do. But then you just got you got trolls, guys. You got haters, you got trolls, you got people that just wanna do things just to do it. Like, I mean, those people, I don't know. I don't know what to say to those people besides I don't know. I don't really know. I don't care. Go live your life, buddy. And I know I'm not gonna be able to control that. I mean, I can't control who's gonna watch my videos. And now on the flip side, so with that, why I said that real quick, I just want to let you guys know, fam, once again, if I give you guys a website or a product that's online, at least, do not drop the price. If I give it to you, don't lower the price, guys. I mean, there are gonna be some trolls out there that do it anyway, which is stupid. Like, you want to make less money to prove a point for what? I don't understand. But if I give you guys a site or a product please, fam, do not lower the price. Don't lower the price, guys. Because we'll all make money. It'll just keep rotating all day, because I'm gonna only give away products that are selling a lot. And yeah, it's always gonna rotate all day. And yeah, just wait it out. I would have waited it out. Like, and I was wondering too, like, man, a couple items haven't been selling, and I know that's supposed to sell, and I'm thinking, like, did that many people get on the listing? No, it wasn't that many people, just somebody lowered it like $2. So I'm like, man, just they don't listen, man. So that's that, family. And another thing guys, don't get sucked in by all of a sudden there's so many new retail arbitrage YouTubers, guys. And look, there's no hate at all, family. I love when people, get out there and do something, start channels, start vlogging what they're doing and everything like that. But here's the issue with all these new YouTubers that are doing retail arbitrage. A lot of them are trolling, guys. A lot of these guys are trolling. A lot of these guys, they swear they're gurus. They just, honestly, they're out to get your money. They're out for views, to grow their channel, because because retail arbitrage is a hot topic right now. I mean, look at when I started retail arbitrage. I started vlogging this stuff last year, guys, when everybody was talking about private label. Everybody was on private label, private label this, private label that. Oh my God, private label. Now you have these guys that do private label talking about retail arbitrage. Like, you know why? Because there's a guy on YouTube who actually knows his stuff. There's no hate, no shade to nobody right that I'm gonna mention, guys. Haters' blood is not in my veins, guys. So there's a guy that goes by the name of the Bearded Picker, and he's actually legit. He's a beast. He's been doing this for a long time, way before like posting it on YouTube. He was making money like for a while, right? And the dude's a beast. He's a guru. He's like a legit guru. So if you guys want to know or learn some stuff, go watch his channel. Like, and look, I'm getting no like, this is, he doesn't know I'm saying this about him, that he's a good dude or whatever. Like, there's no affiliates with this guy, but he got a big beard. His name is the Bearded Picker. I mean, he's not an old dude. I don't want to call him an old dude like he old or nothing, but he's a cool dude. He knows his stuff. So basically, what he did was he made a retail arbitrage video. I'm quite sure you've seen it because it got over 1 million views, about the Walmart, like sourcing in Walmart and making like a couple $1,000s in a night, right? And he made this video and went very viral. So then this is where all the other YouTubers who had nothing to do with retail arbitrage try to hop on that. And then also my videos are getting in YouTube's request section, like watch next section, like, so YouTube is like, they're pushing my videos because I've been doing it for a while. I have a lot of videos that have retail arbitrage in the title, and so my videos have been getting pushed, and that's how a lot of the new people are finding me. That's how a lot of you guys are finding me as well. There's no issue with that. Here's the issue I have, guys. You have the trolls, right? So you have the people that's coming on my page that's, leaving negative stuff. It is what it is. Do what you want, brother. I mean, I don't care, right? But here's the thing. You got these trolls now, guys. Don't get fooled by these guys. You got people who've been doing private label for so long, and honestly, look, and doing well with private label. But here's the thing. They're all of a sudden making retail arbitrage videos. They're making retail arbitrage videos. You know why? Because it's the trend. People hop on trends. People are not trendsetters. I'm a trendsetter. I'm not gonna lie to you. And I'm not trying to toot my own horn. I am a trendsetter. I don't follow trends. This is why, like last year, like I said, when everybody was talking about private label, I looked at it and honestly gave my real opinion and was like, wait a minute. Everybody can't do this. Yeah, I have the money to do private label, but everybody can't do this. I want to help out people and show what everyone can do right now, because everyone's not going to have thousands of dollars to just drop on a what if or a maybe with private label. Like, no one, like the majority of people do not have that. So I was like, retail arbitrage, what is this? You know what I mean? And the way I learned, and I'm gonna make, you know what, stay tuned for my next video, because I'm gonna make a top 10 or a top 5 guru list, like the actual guys that you should watch, whether it's for private label, whether it's for affiliate marketing, whether it's for like retail arbitrage, whether it's for wholesale. Like if you guys want to know how to really do these things, like I'm gonna give you guys the actual people that I learned from, some of the people I learned from, and then some of the people that I know that are gurus for real and know their stuff and know what they're talking about and are not out to get you, and just really out because they know it, like they know it, in whatever their price is, their price is. I'm not gonna have any affiliate links with any of these people. I'm just gonna do this for my family, so I can so that you guys can wean out all these like wannabe guys and all these like these flukies that just want your views just to make money off of you. That's really what it is, guys. Retail arbitrage is having a little buzz right now, and so you're gonna see a lot of people, and then you're gonna see a lot of people. If you don't believe me, y'all know I tell the truth. If you don't believe me, just YouTube retail arbitrage. You're gonna see retail arbitrage Walmart, retail arbitrage sourcing Walmart, retail arbitrage Walmart sourcing, retail arbitrage what I found in Walmart, retail arbitrage made this much in Walmart, retail arbitrage Walmart this. And the reason why that is, guys, is because of the YouTuber, the Bearded Picker. He started it. Like I did a retail arbitrage in Walmart months ago, right? But his went viral recently. He got, like I said, he got over 1 million views, and now other people are seeing that. These trolls, they're seeing that, and not all of them are trolls. Not all of them are trolls, but some of them just want the views and want the subscriptions because they just want another source of income, guys. That's all it is. Like they could care less about retail arbitrage. Like there's some guys that are making tons of money with private label, but they want more money, and they know that, oh man, I'm not getting as many views as with private label as I want, but this retail arbitrage thing is really popping, so let me hop on this and just get people to come subscribe to me and watch my videos because I'm going to talk about retail arbitrage. Yo, they're trolling. They're trolling. They don't even really care for your best. They don't really care for your best interest. Now, I'm not going to say that they're not giving you guys okay or good content. Maybe they are, but I'm telling you right now, the reason why they're doing it, the motive is not what you think it is. And that's just, I'm being transparent with my fam. A lot of the YouTubers are going to hate me for this, but listen, I don't care. Hashtag they watching. Like these gurus are watching me, family. They want my family. They want the views. They want my family. They want the attention. They want the attention. They mad that I'm getting the attention because look, I'm truly helping my family out. But listen, just to wean out all that bull crap from these trolls, this is what I'm gonna do for you guys. My next video up, so look forward to this video, guys. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make a top 5 or top 10 list because there's not that many, so I don't even know if I can find 10 actual gurus. And when I say gurus in a good way, actual people that know their stuff. I'm not even gonna call them gurus because gurus, it has like a bad vibe to it. Actual professionals, that's what I'm gonna say. Actual YouTube professionals on the category or genre that we talk about. So whether it's private label, I'm gonna give you guys the actual private label professionals. If you guys want to learn it, this is the people you should be looking at. Actual professionals for affiliate marketing, wholesale, even retail arbitrage. Even like, because I told you, I'm no teacher. I'm a student. I'm just showing you guys what I do and what's been working for me. Like I don't want to be looked at like this higher up person. I want to be looked at like your brother or sister. I want to be looked at like your brother, right? So we're fam. Like, and I want to grow like that. That's why I love that my channel's growing like that. I'm not trying to take this persona of me being higher than everybody else like these guys are doing. Like, oh, I made such and such thousands of dollars. Like, dude, you a troll, man. Look, check this out. I just don't want you guys to get suckered into this stuff, man, because just because it's a hot topic, everybody's going to be talking about it. Like I said, I'm probably going to get a lot of hate from this, from the other YouTubers, but you look, I don't care. Like, to be honest, I don't care. Like, it is what it is. I'm gonna give you guys my top 5 or top 10 best list. Since I said that in this video, I wouldn't be surprised if another YouTuber already takes that idea, a guru, and does it before I do it. Like, I mean, because they're trolling, they watching, family. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna wrap this vlog up. Yeah, this was a little bit of a rant. I hope it wasn't too long. As always, family, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell to get notified. Hit the bell. I wish it was a horn, because then I would do this. Hit the horn, hit the horn. Dang, everybody's gonna think I'm crazy. But make sure you hit the bell to get notified when I make another upload. It's peace and love as always, family. I'm out.